Hi guys, in this video we are going to see how AI is going to impact a lot of businesses, what is actually AI and how you can use the power of AI for your future growth. With one study, I saw that lots and lots of jobs are going to be cut down, but with respect to that, lot more jobs will also be starting out. Like when AI will come, few jobs will be cut down, but few jobs will be developed. So what jobs will be cut down? That is fine. There would be many industries, but you should focus on what you should develop now, which skills you should adopt so that you are relevant with the age trend and the AI trend, right? So few things I would tell you is one, digital marketing. Even though AI will come, but with the use of AI, digital marketing will be faster. So you should know these marketing concepts, how to do digital marketing, and with the power of AI, combination of digital marketing and AI will make a high income skill, and that is where you can have edge. So if you are a beginner, if you are someone coming out of college, or you are starting out your career, or want to along with your job want to learn some new skill, start learning about marketing with AI. How can you do marketing with AI? So that will be your power, and lots of people ask me this question, so that's the reason I wanted to answer it. So this was about one thing. Second thing, basically I will tell you the power of AI. So what used to happen like 10 years back, even I am an engineer turned marketer running a funnels performance marketing agency into funnels, ads, paid ads, traffic, named funnels traffic. So I have been in each and every phase. Even I was an IT engineer, worked with startups where I developed all the codes, apps, and lot more things. So what used to happen 10 years back? Let's say, consider an example, there are 10 reviews. Okay, now you have to identify that these 10 reviews, which one is good review and which one is bad review. Okay, so let's say we are in 10 years back state where I have to solve this problem. Okay, so first of all, manually I will read each review and tell that this review is good, and manually read second review. If it is not good, I will rate it as bad review. Okay, now comes technology. Okay, now as a human you can read 10 reviews, 20 reviews, 30 reviews. Now assume you have to read 10,000 reviews. Not possible, right? Now technology comes into place. When technology comes into place, now you have to code it like a human. Like technology will read each review, understand that each review, and eventually give the output that this is the good review or bad review. Now, writing that technology, humans were writing that technology. Like if it contains the word good, best, all of these words will make sure that your review is good. The bad words, hope the quality would have been better, something like that. These words would tell you that quality is on the medium side or bad side, right? So humans were writing those reviews. Now the game has completely changed in 2020, after 2022 when AI came into place. Now understand one thing, eventually that technology was also run based on a human mind. Human doing that coding was actually the technology, right? It was just faster. That's the only thing. Now after AI, see how things have simplified. One thing, when we give the review into the technology, now instead of human doing that technological research or coding part, AI will tell you, integrate the technology with AI. Now AI will tell you whether the review is good or not, because AI is based on human brain. It's like a human brain. It can understand sentiments. It can understand what is good, what is bad. Okay, as per the text and as per the text given, right? Now with the power of technology and AI, the output is faster and better. This is what the real AI is. That's why lots and lots of people are telling why technology shift is happening to AI. The technology was coding and SaaS product or the tech products, but integrating those products with AI will transform the output to the next level. So this is one example to make you understand how AI will disrupt the technology space. Things would be much smarter, much simpler, and human don't have to think about the output, what can be the output, what cannot be the output, and do code accordingly. Instead, they will rely on the predictions or the output given by the AI and eventually show you on the display or the front end. This is the power of AI. Now, second thing, again, this is the second case study how AI is powerful and how AI is generative. You might have heard this word generative AI. Why? What is generative? And let's take another example. Earlier, if I give you a database of 10 things, that if you buy a bread, along with the bread, you are buying a jam. Along with the bread, you are buying the butter. Along with bread, again, some person is buying a jam. So I'm giving you the database of 100 people, let's say, that along with the bread, who is buying what. Now let's say more than 70% of the people along with the bread are buying the butter. Okay, now the 70% is the probability. Okay, now assume I give you 10 more data and tell you that all these people have bought bread. How many people would have bought butter? You would take 7 people, because you now know the probability was 70%. So now you know, based on the probability, might be 7 people have bought this thing, but that was purely based on the data provided, knowledge base provided. Now if I ask you a random question, what how many people, 10 people bought the butter, how many people would have bought bread, you might get confused because it's a flip question. Okay, so in terms of technology. But now, what is generative AI? Generative AI understands the data, and based on that understanding gives their own output. So let's say if I train someone 10 recipes. Okay, so based on the 10 recipes, he or she can make those 10 recipes, right? Now, but AI, if I tell something out of the box, a technology can't do it, normal technology can't do it. But if I now say the 11th recipe, AI has the knowledge base of 10 recipe, what to mix, what not to mix. Based on the 10 recipe, AI has the power to make the 11th recipe without giving into the knowledge base. That is generative. AI generated its own 11th recipe based on 10 recipes given. That is generative. That's the power of AI. So my recommendation for you guys would be, start learning AI. There is a scope. People learning AI, prompt engineering, people learning digital marketing, people adapting, learning how to do data analysis. Now understand one thing, AI would come, you will develop a model, but eventually that model will run on data. So data analyst role would be equally important, because if we don't give data to the proper data to AI model will not be able to give the right answers, because eventually to learn something, he or she needs data. So data analysis, data analyst, these roles would be very important. So start doing that, and trust me, you would be powerful. So as I run a funnels, traffic marketing agency, paid ads, and all of those stuff, we are trying to integrate AI at each step of our business. In fact, we are taking dedicated projects on AI automation and development maybe in coming days. So that's the background study we are doing to scale our agency with respect to AI and marketing. So that's the power of that. So do that. And if you have any questions regarding this, let me know. We would be doing such Q&A type of things in our YouTube channel. If you have questions, comment down. In my next video, I might answer that. And we want to keep this as a casual approach in which I can share my thoughts, answer your questions, give you more about the latest industry trends, what is happening, how can you learn from this and eventually take the right decisions with my experience, with your questions and problems, and with my answers. So do it, guys. Thank you very much, and subscribe to our channel and do ask the questions. I am ready to answer a lot of it. Thank you.